everyone, it's Manda. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be setting up my January 2025 Frankenplanner with my catch-all, my social media, and my wellness planner. I am using this cover from the line Vertical that I was using and these rings from there as the base. And I also have, instead of using a deluxe cover like I was using last year, I got a Moterm Happy Planner cover. This matches the Hobonichi one that I got. So we're gonna see how using one of these works out for me this year. If I don't like it, I'll just go back to using a deluxe cover. But yeah, so what I wanna do is I wanna start with the base, my catch-all, and I'm gonna be pulling out things that I've, like dividers and things like that, that I've been using in here. I'm just gonna put this to the side and get started there. So, first of all, we're gonna use, this is a, like a little square divider, little stencil that I use for checklists and things. I have a dashboard that I use for like sticking sticky notes and incoming stuff on. So we're gonna put that here up front. Then we're gonna put I have my KonMari checklist that I printed out. I'm working on decluttering my apartment, so. And then I also have my, where is it? It's not pulling up pages. This is my word of the year page. I'm also using, I forgot to pull enough pages. Also going to be my quarterly goals area. This is kind of going to be the front matter. So I'm going to have my, I wonder if I want to put this first. Do I want to put this here? Yeah, let's go ahead and put it first. So my word of the year is determination, is the firmness in purpose and resoluteness. The reason why I picked that is because I am determined to get down to my goal weight of 200 pounds this year. I'm currently at 240, so, and I've been able to maintain that for 2 years, which is great, but yeah, we need to make some progress on that. Then I'm also gonna put in my KonMari checklist. This is just something I got off of Pinterest. So decluttering. Then we got my inbox. Like I said, I use it just as a sticky dashboard for things. These are actually like monthly extras that come from Sterling Ink. They're like sticky notes that I've printed on just white sticky paper, and they usually like match the month and stuff like that. But anyway, so you can see here, I've got last year's planner here. So I'm going to pull out this tab. This is the personal section, which is my catch-all. So we're going to pull the catch-all pages. So we're going to do the front matter. Here. So we have this one. And then I think I want to, I'm going to glue these two pages together. Let me get my tapey tape. Doesn't gotta be perfect. It's just so I don't have to flip extra pages, since I'm not gonna be using that pages because they're from 2024 calendar. So since this is a 2025, we got that. I use these pages to track days off, paydays, holidays, all that good stuff. Then we want to do, we're going to tape these two together. We're going to tape these two together as well, so it just flips to January instead of July. So I hope everybody's having a happy new year. It is currently 5:20 on New Year's Eve when I'm doing this. So yeah, just waiting for midnight. I'm actually, probably after this, I'm gonna go take a nice bubble bath, drink some wine, read a book. I'm working on my first book of the year. My goal is to read 52 books for the year. 12 of those are going to be nonfiction, and then what I'm going to do is take this. The rest of them are some sort of fiction. So we're going to take this one. We're going to take this extra page out, and this is going to go in the social media section. I'm going to leave these two here in the middle. Then I'm going to take the teacher pieces. Put them. How many weeks am I going to need? Okay, I'll get back to it. Because I think this has 5 or 6 weeks in it. Because it's undated. I'll have to see. I think it's 5 weeks. And it might be more than I need. So this is what I'll be doing. Trying to get my catch-all together. The catch-all section together every month. I like having the undated because I do use the dates up here, so all I have to really do is white out the days. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll need the 5 weeks. I think. Let's see how. Oh, this one's undated too. That's not gonna help. Let's look at the social media. Social media. How this one goes in. Okay. Yeah, it does the 5 weeks. So, like I would expect it to. Okay, so we got 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, right? Let's see, that's 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. Yeah, so there's 6. So I can just take one of these out and it'll be fine. And if I miscount, I can just stick it in there and fix it later. All right. since I'm going to be, stick that there. We're gonna glue these two together. Lots of gluing together. That's what happens when you Frankenplan. It's okay. It's A-okay. Today was also payday, so now I have to do my budget. I mean, it doesn't change very much. It doesn't change very much, other than like my utility bills fluctuate, but yeah, it's pretty much the same every month. There we go. There's the catch-all section all set up. Can't wait to start planning. All right, next, let me pull this checklist divider. Put it here. I have all kinds of checklists. Checklists for everything. I'm a big checklist person. Okay, so we have that. Next up is going to be my health section. So I'm going to take this clear divider that I have, that's marked health, from this year. And then I'm going to grab my health planner here, conveniently labeled fitness. I was like, what did it print on the other one? But it's white. So interesting. Okay, so I have added a couple of my own trackers here. I have a body measurement tracker. This is like a weekly thing, but I think I'm just gonna do it monthly. So instead of, so it'd be for the year. Like, what your like goal of your neck measurement gonna be? Some of it is a little bit crazy. And then I have the 3 of the 30-day for the next 90 days of weight loss tracking. Again, I think weighing every day is a little bit excessive, but I do like to weigh twice a week because I like to monitor how certain foods affect me. I do have IBS and I do have some food allergies. So just to see how that kind of affects my weight, right? Because I've been known to, like, if I eat something that triggers my IBS and something that I'm allergic to, I can gain quote unquote 10 pounds in a day. Like, my weight can fluctuate that much. So it's an interesting thing, and it's just to, you know, sort of track my progress and not to be obsessive about it. But the trackers that I could find were only like everyday things or every week things. So you got to go with what you got, unless you want to make your own. And I'm a little lazy to do that right now. So I'm going to take, oh, okay, the gold and put it on this side, because white on white, it's not going to be very useful. And then I'm going to put the white on this side. There we go. Stick this back in here for next month. And in you go. So this is undated as well. So we will be figuring out how to get this to work. But this is the fitness format. I actually kind of like this one. I think I like this one better than the way that I was doing it last year, which was using the meal planner. So yeah, let's make sure we got enough of these. So we go 1, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. So I'm just gonna take this page out. We only need 5 weeks, and I'll stick it with the extra pages. All right, that is fitness done. I'm wondering, okay. Just thinking. All right, put this checklist here. Next up is going to be social media. Pull this one off. Social media. Yay. And I'll pull this out in a minute. Get my social media planner here. First up, front matter. And this is also an 18-month, so I'm going to need to do some gluing here as well. Boo, boo, boo. Boo, 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 boo. I got so much to do. I'm gonna go back to work on the 2nd. But luckily I'll have only 2 days to work, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass because I took like a week and a half off, but 2 days to work until it's weekend again, so it's not so bad. I don't know, like why is it like when you take time off, like everything just goes to shit? Luckily nothing happened. It doesn't disappear, and I've been checking. It's out of tape. I have an extra somewhere. I do have another one already on the go, I think. Yeah. At least it doesn't appear to, at least not in my emails. I've gone completely insane. I know for the next like quarter of the year is going to be crazy with for preparations for project construction in March, so that's going to be fun. And I'm a document controller, so yeah. That's gonna be fun. So the next, like, and from now until April is gonna be absolutely insane for me. So, okay, so January, focus on the good. Yeah, we're gonna need to do that. We're gonna need to do that. So, social media here. Put in this one. There's my dashboard planner for social media. And that's that. Oh yeah, and then we're gonna put this in here. This is like all the checklists of all the videos and video ideas and everything. I'm gonna put that in here. That should be that for there. And then lastly, we're doing sort of my like notes and miscellaneous section. I wonder, I'm not going to use the checklist. Do I want to use the checklist? I'm just going to use the blank one. I have a blank divider from a note page. Then I'm going to use one of these checklist pages from I'm going to use the checklist section, yeah. And then do I want to tape this together? Debating. Okay, we'll just leave it all in there for now. I like to have some extra paper, some half sheets. I'm gonna grab also, where did you go? Some daily sheets from here. In case I need those as well. I like to have all possibilities covered. And I've got some more stencils. And I've got a divider with stencils and stickers. These are stencils that I use all the time. And these are ones I use rarely, so I don't put them back in here because it's hard to get them in and out without them getting all like tangled together. So these are like the three that I use most. And then I have I'm gonna get rid of these because I'm not gonna use those anymore. These little itty bitty tiny weather stickers. And then I have some like those rolled dots stickers. Those are nice. And then I'm gonna pull, this has various sticky notes, like smaller sticky notes. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna pull from this one. It's interesting how different the red, or are they the same? Maybe it just looked different in the shadow. Yeah, I got my red. But yeah, okay. So there's that. I'm going to put these extra pages, put this extra page back. Or if I need it later, if I screw up on something. Put this one back as well. All right, just trying to organize. So I got a lot of stuff and not a lot of space, a lot of desk space. All right, so now I'm gonna pop this sucker in here. I don't know how what I'm gonna keep in these pockets and whatnot. This seems difficult. Okay, figure it out. It's been a while since I used one of these. Like covered like this before in a while. Get in there. Get in there. Okay. Okay. And so it'll be open like that. Alrighty. Okay. Also, I think I can just put this cover in here too, so it'll just open flat, maybe. And then, boop, I'm gonna have room to expand. Good, good. Yeah, I like it. I like it. All right, so got my planner here. So we got, I think what I'm gonna do, I have another set of these clear ones. I think I'm gonna put another clear one on top of here so that I can actually see it. Or I have some like presentation plastic that that I'm gonna put there as well to protect it. We shall see. All right, so we got my catch-all planner, yay, my health planner, and my social media planner, yay! All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!